10 Best Advices for Investor by Warren Buffett. Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. What the wise do in the beginning, fools do in the end. In the world of business, the people who are most successful are those who are doing what they love. It's nice to have a lot of money, but you don't want to keep it around forever. I prefer buying things. Otherwise, it's a little like saving sex for your old age. Games are won by players who focus on the playing field, not by those whose eyes are glued to the scoreboard. When you combine ignorance and leverage, you get some pretty interesting results. I always knew I was going to be rich. I don't think I ever doubted it for a minute. Never ask a barber if you need a haircut.